Hello students, good morning. How are you? Now let us study a new one more experiment, and our aim is to find the focal length of concave lens using a convex lens. So here, as you know, the convex lens is like this, while the concave lens is like this. Okay, now the figure is like this. So please note down the ray diagram in your notebook from the practical book. Can you observe, see this beta? So page number may be different for the different books, but this is a figure, or you can say it is a ray diagram. Let me arrange the apparatus and find out the focal length of the concave lens. Here we have apparatus. This is a convex lens and this one is a concave lens. Here we have two object pins. One is a white object pin, while the second one is a image pin. So here the scale remains fixed during all the experiments. So first let you find the rough focal length of this convex lens. The rough focal length of this convex lens is around 14 centimeter. So first you place the object at 28 centimeter. So first we have placed the object at object pin at 0 centimeter and lens is at 28 centimeter. So when you place the object this side, so image will form here and it will be also on f2f. So you can observe from these sides. See here, observe this white pen which is remove the parallax. See, you can see there is no parallax between the image and image pin, and at this time it is equal to 56 centimeter. Okay, this is a 56 centimeter. And now then you will introduce the lens L2. You will introduce the lens L2 here between two lenses, and at it is equal to 46 centimeter. Let you place the lens here at 46 centimeter. The image will form. The image will form on 60 here, and observe it. Observe from this side. You can observe this image pin which removes the parallax between the image. So you can observe from this sides. First here is an image, then first lens, then second lens, and last is image. So first you can observe a lens in a concave lens, and in a concave lens you can observe the image and remove the parallax between them. See, the white image is removing the parallax between this image pin. So there is no parallax between them. Note down this reading here. So here it is equal to at 68 centimeter. It is 68 centimeter. Now let you keep this distance between two first lens and pin is a constant, and let you distance increase the distance between two lens, and it is 47 centimeter. Okay, increase the distance between two lens. Now it is a 47 centimeter, and for 47 again remove the parallax from this sides. This is a remove arrange in a way, such in a way the parallax removed between image and image pin. Now here the image is already removing, parallax is removed, and note down. See here, can you see this? And the distance is equal to 65 centimeter. Distance is, that is the centered point of this pin. Okay, and for third again the increase the distance between two lens. Now it is a 48 centimeter, and again the remove the parallax from this side. So when you remove the parallax from these sides, Now parallax is removed. Okay, and note down the distance. Now the parallax is removed and the distance is, now it is 62 centimeter. Let me note down these readings in observation table. Now the lens, object pin was on 0 centimeter, so we note that the 0, 0 and 0. First convex lens was at 28 centimeter, so it is 28, 28 and 28. The first image was formed, it is 56 centimeter, so I will write here 56, 56 and 56. This position remains same. This position remains same. Now we have introduced a second lens L2, distance between the image and the first lens, and we have placed, it was, suppose we have placed it is a 46, 47 and 48. So at that time the image was formed at 68 centimeter, 65 centimeter and 62 centimeter. Now let us find the object distance here. How will you find? The object distance is that is a I minus L2, where is a I and this is L2. So this minus this, it is a object distance 10 centimeter. I minus L2, now the distance is 9 centimeter, and 58 minus 48, which is equal to, now it is a 40, this is equal to, now the 56 minus 62, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So now let me find the image distance. Image distance is equal to I dash minus L2. So where is the I dash and this is the L2. I dash minus L2, which is equal to 22 centimeter. This minus this, I dash minus L2, and which is equal to, it is 18 centimeter. I dash minus L2, which is equal to 18 centimeter, and similarly here it is equal to now 14 centimeter. So when you substitute this value U and V in the first formula of focal length UV upon U minus V, you will get the answer is 18.3 centimeter focal the concave length. Similarly we can find this, will be obviously easy calculation, it is 18.0 and last is 18.9 centimeter. So let me find this average. So average value is equal to average F, which is equal to, it is equal to 18.4 centimeter is the answer. So focal length of this concave lens, in this way we can find it is a 18.4 centimeter. So students, please note down all these reading in your record book first. So this calculation in record book and also complete your journal. Okay, again I am showing the figure which is here. You will draw the figure, ray diagram. This is the ray diagram for this experiment. Students, please draw this ray diagram and complete fill up this observation table. ये पूरा observation table आपके जर्नल में लिखना है. So this calculation and complete the experiment. There is no graph in this experiment, so please complete this journal. Now have a nice day, beta. Thank you very much.